I've repositioned myself at the tomato area, and I'm going to take you to the chickens. Brad keeps going. The chicken area is decidedly less picturesque. That's Brad right over there. Yeah, and he's flapping his wings, protecting his hens, and they're underneath the coop. And they have this huge run. And then right across the way are the young adult chickens from the second flock in their separate pen. You can see one has gotten into the food bin, and this happens to be a yacon. And yeah.